Ever feel like money is allergic to you? Like it runs faster than you do every time your bank app loads? Well, maybe it's not about chasing money. Maybe it's about becoming the kind of person money can't resist. Today, we're talking about how to become a money magnet. Not by luck, not by scammy shortcuts, but by rewiring your mindset, your habits, and your energy. You don't have to chant affirmations until your throat dries, but you do need to understand how money actually behaves. Because yes, money has a personality. Money doesn't come to people who need it the most. It comes to people who match its energy. Why? Because money is a mirror. It reflects who you are, not what you want. Think about it. Ever notice how people who already have money tend to attract more of it? They think bigger. They act differently. They're not desperate. They're deliberate. And the universe loves clarity. If you want to attract money, start by defining why. Make more money is not a goal. That's a wish. A real goal sounds like, I want to earn $10,000 a month by freelancing within 6 months, so I can leave my job and build my dream life. Clear, focused, emotional, actionable. Clarity creates direction. Direction builds confidence, and confidence, that's when money starts to notice you. Now, let's get brutally honest. Money is not just energy, it's a thank you note for value. You want more money? Cool. Deliver more value, period. Value doesn't always mean hard labor. It means solving problems people care about. Entertain, teach, build, simplify, make people's lives better. They'll make yours richer. Let's get psychological for a second. Your beliefs about money are driving the car, even when you think you're in charge. If you believe money is evil, hard to get, or only for those kinds of people, guess what? Your brain will sabotage every opportunity that contradicts those beliefs. Because your brain likes being right more than being rich. Start rewiring instead of, I'll never afford that. Try, how could I afford that? I'm broke. I'm rebuilding. Rich people are greedy. Money amplifies who you are. Being a money magnet isn't magic, it's math. Here are 5 habits that shift the game. 1. Track your money, not obsessively, but consciously. 2. Invest in yourself. Books, skills, mentors, always ROI positive. 3. Build a skill that prints value, writing, sales, coding, storytelling, whatever fits your vibe. 4. Hang around money-minded people. Wealth rubs off. So does poverty. 5. Say no to garbage spending. That third streaming service isn't your freedom plan. Gratitude is the emotional frequency of abundance. It tells the universe, I have enough. I'm ready for more. But gratitude without action is like clapping with one hand. Be grateful, then move your feet. Make the offer, pitch the idea, apply for the gig, ship the product. Money loves motion. So, how do you become a money magnet? You shift your mindset, clarify your goals, deliver value, upgrade your beliefs, and build wealth-friendly habits. Not overnight, but over time, you stop chasing money and start attracting it. Remember, it's not about becoming greedy. It's about becoming generous with your potential. Money is just applause for the problems you solve. If this hit home, follow the channel. We've got more deep dives, mindset flips, and yes, maybe a few more cartoons with flying refrigerators. Be bold, think bigger, and don't forget, you're one belief away from your breakthrough.